Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about SOUN stock and key level to watch June 4, 2026. In last trading session, the stock formed a bearish candle closed at $8.08. On the weekly time frame, the stock breakout its trend line, made a high of $10.04. On the daily time frame, the support level is $7.59. If the price goes below $7.59, it could test $6.25. The resistance level is $9.38. If the price breaks above $9.38, it could test $10.04. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.